Morning! It's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesign.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button right there.
Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified.
Marlin Black, and I'm ready to go to work. Ready to go to Picky and get my booth done. I'm determined to have a good day. I'm determined to have a great day. I'm actually going to stop and get a naughty breakfast. Something high in fat and calories, because then I don't have to stop and get a lunch. The plan is to eat a icky breakfast, like a naughty breakfast, and then just work it off, because if I'm hungry, I'll end up stopping and leaving earlier. And if I'm not hungry, I will work right through till I have to go pick up the kid. So I'm going to get a breakfast that's going to stay with me all day, and then just work. I'm here. Time to get to work. Phone call, and then my camera keeps going. What's that? Why? Almost got the shelf cleaned off while I was having my phone conversation. And then I'm going to lift this up onto the table. I don't know how I'm going to do this. I don't know how I'm going to do this. Like, for real. My arm is already going, don't do it. But I got to get it done, so this is happening. Oh my God. All right, I'm going to move some stuff so I can set the camera down again. But how about there? You can kind of see what's happening there, right? Is that good? All right, I'll try not to block you. I did it! Yeah, my back hurts. Of course I hurt myself. But it's up there. It's up there. It's up there. This thing has seen better days, boy. It's all scratched and dusty. I gotta clean this up. Let's get it loaded up with Christmas crap. Like, Christmas! Let's do it. This is surprisingly sturdy, this table. Suppose I gotta price that too, and somebody will want it, and I don't have to get another table. Now I'm gonna think for a minute, so you don't want to watch that. Smoke might come out of my ears. It's starting to look like a booth. I'm starting to price things. Things are getting on the shelves. It's just gonna take all day. It's gonna be here all day, and then hopefully I have time to get upstairs a little bit today. I might not. Once I get all what's in here sorted out, I'll run out to the car and grab some more of the boxes that I left out there. Some more Christmas stuff. Yeah. It's starting to feel like a booth, though, instead of a hot mess that makes me want to cry. I don't want to cry today. That's good. Okay, it's coming together. Hung these up here. I'm far from done, but we might as well give a quick update on how things are progressing. Got all this stuff up. I think this might go next door, that one on the floor. Still a mess, but we're getting there. We're getting there. It's happening. It's happening. It's coming together. Found a home for the banner, and it looked really cute. Last year at the end of the season at Dollar General, I went in and cleared them out of all their Christmas stuff. Remember the ribbons and stuff? So they're still here. I'm ready. I'm gonna pack it up, put it up, price it, and get it out here. I'm on my way to pick up the kidlet. Yeah. There's still a lot that needs to be done. It's just really overwhelming. Get over. There's a turn lane, dummy. Oh my God. I have had the worst day on the road. Okay, I'm heading back to Pickett. I swear my family has no concept. It's just like one thing after the other. Did you do this? Have you done this? Did you do this? Did you do it? I haven't done anything but work on my booth. And then my husband is like, do you want to stay for dinner? No, I want to get back to work. You guys interrupted my flow. I was working. I need to get this done. He has no concept of what a changeover looks like. This isn't just add some stuff for this month. This is a literal change over. Change the booths, both of them. He has no concept, none. It takes a little effort. I don't know how you guys that have to do it when your store is open can do it. I don't know how you do it. It's just too much. That sounded like something broke in the back, didn't it? Hair, and I got a wild hair. These are not very big. These look like nail clippers, but they're wire cutters. Watch. I decided I needed some chicken wire to hang some ornaments on, so I'm here. There it goes. Not very easy, but I'm gonna get to the other side and I'm gonna zip tie this up so I can hang some freaking stuff. I'll show you where in a minute. And we have chicken wire. So now I got chicken wire so I can hang things on there. It didn't meet over here, which is gonna probably be problematic. So I'm gonna have to get a nipper to cut the ends off. I'm not doing it with that little thing. Now, let's just finish this up, because if I can get this done, I can leave the stuff here that I'm gonna bring upstairs, and then just come on Saturday, carry that up. But I want to do that corner shelf over there, finish this shelf, and yeah, we're getting there. Well, it sounded like a break back there, and there it is. Damn it. Ignore everything on the floor. That's all going next door. Otherwise, I've got all this. This is what I did. I got stuff. And then I hung the ornaments on the chicken wire. And I think I'm done. It has gotten way dark outside. This is gonna go next door. That's gonna go next door. That's going out to the car. So is the remaining chicken wire. But yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot. I think I still need to put stuff on the shelves, but until I get the booth next door sorted out, I'm not sure what I'm going to put there. We'll find out. I still have time. I got Sunday. I've got Sunday. I'm gonna get the stuff to the car, just sort of put everything back in this booth because I don't have the energy to run things up the stairs today. So this is it for me tonight. We made good progress. I'm happy. I'm very happy. I'm less stressed. Now once I get in here Saturday and go upstairs and knock out hopefully that booth completely on Saturday, we'll know what I gotta do in here. It'll be great. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be wonderful. It'll be awesome. Yeah, it's gonna be awesome. Let's get this stuff into the booth and out of the aisle so people, when they come in here tomorrow, can walk. I have to glue the one freaking reindeer antler back on. Yeah, I'm having a breakage issue today. And it's starting to chap me. I need my, not me. Okay. Anyway, thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junkin'. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.